Hello friends, welcome to DDR Academy. In this video, I am going to discuss the previous year question paper, that is Junior Public Health Nurse Grade 2 Kerala PSC question paper, and this is the part 3 of the discussion of the previous year question paper. So let me start. First question, chlorpheniramine is an dash group of drug. Chlorpheniramine is a dash group of drug. Options: anticonvulsant, antihistamine, antacid, antibiotic. The right answer is antihistamine. Chlorpheniramine is an antihistamine group of drug. Then question number 57. 1 pint is equal to dash ml. 1 pint is equal to dash ml. Options: 150, 200, 350, 500. Right answer is 500. 1 pint is equal to 500 ml. Then question number 58. The direct cause of bed sore in a patient with incontinence of urine is. Options: pathogens, friction, pressure, moisture. So what is the direct cause of bed sore in a patient with incontinence of urine? Right answer here is moisture. Then question number 59. Inflammation of tongue is dash. Inflammation of tongue is dash. Options: glossitis, stomatitis, gingivitis, sinusitis. Right answer here is glossitis. Inflammation of tongue is glossitis. Then question number 60. Premature separation of a normally situated placenta after 28th week of pregnancy is. Premature separation of a normally situated placenta after 28th week of pregnancy is. Options: placenta previa, habitual abortion, placental abruption, vesicular mole. Right answer is placental abruption. Premature separation of a normally situated placenta after 28th week of pregnancy is known as abruptio placenta or placental abruption. Then question number 61. The hormone which is produced from pineal gland is. Options: calcitonin, progesterone, ghrelin, and melatonin. Right answer is melatonin. The hormone which is produced from pineal gland is melatonin. Then question number 62. The name of presentation in which the buttocks of fetus lies in the lower pole of uterus. Options: vertex, face, brow, breech. Right answer is breech. The name of presentation in which buttocks of the fetus lies in the lower pole of uterus is known as breech. Breech presentation. Then 63. 1 gram of fat gives dash calorie energy when broken down. Options: 9 calories, 8 calories, 4 calories, 2 calories. Right answer is 9 calories. 1 gram of fat gives 9 calorie energy when broken down. Question number 64. Which of the following is a killed vaccine? Options: OPV, BCG, MMR, rabies. Right answer is rabies. Rabies is a killed vaccine. Question number 65. The type of isolation technique used in conditions when pathogens are transmitted through fecal matter is. Options: respiratory isolation, enteric isolation, skin isolation, blood isolation. Here the right answer is enteric isolation. The type of isolation technique that is used in conditions when pathogens are transmitted through fecal matter is known as enteric isolation. Then question number 66. Immediate treatment of dog bite is. immediate treatment of dog bite is? Options: hospitalize, application of antiseptic, wash wound with soap and water, suturing of wound. Right answer here: wash wound with soap and water. Immediate treatment of dog bite is wash wound with soap and water. Then question number 67. In an autoclave, temperature set for sterilization should be. In an autoclave, the temperature for sterilization should be 63 degrees Celsius, 90 degrees Celsius, 121 degrees Celsius, 115 degrees Celsius. Right answer is 121 degrees Celsius. In an autoclave, the temperature should be 121 degrees Celsius. Then question number 68. Who discovered the polio vaccine? Options: Louis Pasteur, Jonas Salk, Conrad Seuss, Eli Whitney. Right answer is Jonas Salk. Then question number 69. Insects responsible for transmitting diseases are called. Options: transmitter, drones, vector, conductor. Right answer is vector. Insects responsible for transmitting diseases are called vector. Then question number 70. Which of the following blood pressure value denotes hypotension? Options: 120/80 millimeters of mercury, 130/90 millimeters of mercury, 160/110 millimeters of mercury, 80/60 millimeters of mercury. Question is, which of the following blood pressure value detects or denotes hypotension? Right answer is 80/60 millimeters of mercury. Question number 71. Which of the following foods has the highest protein content? Which of the following foods has highest protein content? Options: cereals, legumes, millets, tubers. Right answer is legumes. Legumes has the highest protein content. Then question number 72. Mark the correct statement. Options: all sperms fertilize all eggs. Eggs are fertilized by many sperms. Each egg is usually fertilized by one sperm. Each sperm fertilizes one egg. So mark the correct statement. So correct statement here is each egg is usually fertilized by one sperm. Each egg is usually fertilized by one sperm. Then question number 73. The disease caused by deficiency of protein in children is called. Options: pellagra, marasmus, beriberi, rickets. The disease caused by deficiency of protein in children is called as marasmus. Question number 74. The richest source of vitamin A is. Options: cheese, milk, spinach, cod liver oil. The right answer is cod liver oil. The richest source of vitamin A is cod liver oil. Question number 75. The second stage of labor extends from. Options: full dilation of cervix to the birth of baby, starting of true labor pain to full dilatation of cervix, from birth of baby to the expulsion of placenta, from engagement of fetal head to the rupture of membranes. Question is, the second stage of labor extends from. Right answer is full dilatation of cervix to the birth of baby. Full dilatation of cervix to the birth of baby. Question number 76. The milk of which of the following mammal has highest content of fat? Options: buffalo, human, goat, cow. The milk of which of the following mammal has highest content of fat? Right answer is buffalo. Question number 77. Which of the following indicates impending eclampsia in a woman with preeclampsia? Options: fatigue, headache, edema of feet, vaginal bleeding. Which of the following indicates impending eclampsia in a woman with preeclampsia? Right answer is headache. Headache indicates the impending eclampsia in a woman with preeclampsia. Then question number 78. Pigmentation of skin is due to. Options: leukocytes, lymphocytes, monocytes, melanocytes. Right answer is melanocytes. Pigmentation of skin is due to melanocytes. Then question number 79. Which of the following is a hormonal contraceptive? Options: Depo-Provera, diaphragm, male condoms, spermicidal jelly. Right answer is Depo-Provera. Depo-Provera is a hormonal contraceptive. Then question number 80. Which among the following hormone can be used as a drug to treat cardiac arrest? Options: thyroxine, calcitonin, epinephrine, insulin. Here the right answer is epinephrine. Epinephrine can be used as a drug to treat cardiac arrest. So thank you for watching the video. Hope you like this video. Also share to your friends.